Good morning, Merry Christmas, or Happy New Year's, or whatever holidays you celebrate. I don't know when I'm actually gonna get this video out, but I'm just spending time with family. I don't have a big video here, so this is just a video of the PC I'm building. So some of the specs for this build are, for those who are wondering, it's as a AMD Ryzen 5 5600 for the CPU. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it has an RX 6700 XT for the GPU. So I hope you guys like it. I'll try and get back to my normal content, but right now I'm just having fun with family. So catch you guys later.